If you guys have a credit card with a high annual fee, I do suggest that that year that you get that credit card, you are running a tight ship in terms of you're not maxing out credit cards. All you're trying to do is just get other credit cards as your credit score go up. You keeping a balance very low on that credit card. So pay that credit card off right away because that annual fee is going to hit your credit as soon as you apply for the credit card. So during that first year, I would say about 3 to 6 months, try to see if you can get some other credit cards because your credit score should be high enough. That way, you don't have to keep that account for another year. You can just use that credit card to build your credit initially, okay? So just make sure that when you get that credit card, you got a high annual fee, you keep the balance low so that you can start getting other credit cards and you can cancel that one before you get another annual fee. Sometimes people just keep these credit cards and keep paying the annual fees, and that's just what y'all want to do. Um, so just keep in mind that that annual fee is going to come yearly, and sometimes some of these credit cards come with a maintenance fee after that. So they got the annual fee plus they got the maintenance fee. So I just tell you guys, just keep the balance low on that credit card, and then make sure that you're working to increase your credit score, paying off paying off your other credit cards. Make sure you have at least 4 credit cards, removing other negative accounts, and then keep applying for more credit cards so that you can eventually remove this credit card. And I would say try to apply for more credit cards in like 3 to 6 months so that